Hello, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss uses of chlorine in P block element. Uses of uses of chlorine in P block element. First use of the chlorine is it is used extraction of gold and platinum. Second one is it is used to bleaching wood pulp. It is used in the manufacturing of papers and yarn, bleaching cotton and textile industries, right? Therefore use the bleaching wood pulp. Third is it is also used in the manufacturing of dye, drugs and organic compound such as CCl4, chloroform, DDT, refrigerant. Their DDT is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It is a full form of the DDT. Further, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. CaCl3 is chloroform. It is used as a medicine. CCl4 is powerful insecticides, right? Fourth is in sterilizations of drinking water. This is settled down the impurities of the drinking water. Therefore, they sterilizations of drinking water. Fifth is it is in manufacturing of poisonous gases like phosgene, tear gas, mustard gas, etc. There are the formula of the tear gas CCl3NO2. The IUPAC name of the compound is nitro sorry 111 trichloronitromethane. Further, 111 trichloronitromethane, and also mustard gas. It is thiochloro compound. Therefore, it is used in the poisonous gas, right? Now, here the end the topic of the chlorine gas. Now, now we are going to next topic, hydrochloric acid HCl. First of all, how can we prepare the HCl? HCl prepared by heating of NaCl with concentrated H2SO4 like NaCl plus H2SO4 to form HCl and NaHSO4. NaHSO4 further combined with NaCl to form HCl, right? Therefore, this preparation use also manufacturing of the HCl. There are the properties of the HCl. It is colorless gas with pungent suffocated smell. Uh, this smell is due to the presence of chlorine. Second one is it is highly soluble in water and is solutions known as hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen chloride generally known as HCl, but when they dissolve in water to form hydrochloric acid, it is easily liquefiable gas and form colorless liquid. Dry HCl gas has no action of litmus. What in aqueous solutions is called acetic acid. Therefore, they turn blue to red. H2O, HCl to form H3O positive and Cl negative. Therefore, they have tendency to lose proton and act as a Bruston Lowry acid. Next is HCl react with NH3 to give white fumes of NH4Cl. We know that NH3 have one pair of electron, therefore they act as Lewis base, and HCl are acid. They have tendency to lose uh, hydrogen and form ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride gives white fumes. 6 is HCl react with metals to form salt. Due to uh, HCl is acid, hydrochloric acid, combined with metal to form salt, like Na plus HCl to form NaCl, Zn plus HCl to form ZnCl2. HCl decomposes salt of weak acid like K2SCO3, HCl. They decompose into the KCl, H2O and CO2. In nitrogen sulfide, they form H2S gas, SO3 convert into the SO2 gas, and ZNO convert into the H2O. Noble metal does not dissolve in HCl, but they are dissolved in aqua regia. Aqua regia is the compositions of the nitric acid and HCl, hydrochloric acid. Three part of concentrated HCl and one part of concentrated nitric acid combined to form aqua regia. And all of the noble metals are dissolved in aqua regia, right? Or dissolved in aqua regia. Like this, they are the reactions to dissolve the noble metal. HCl combined with HNO3 to form NOCl, HCl, and chloride gas. Nascent chloride. These nascent chloride further reduce metal to form iuric chloride, AuCl3, iuric chloride, right? Like this, these are dissolved in gold into the iuric chloride. That's right. And also, they combine with platinum to dissolve platinum. HCl acts as a reducing agent. They reduce chloride gas, right? It is simply indicated in these reactions. HCl react with AgNO3 to form white precipitate. Combined with silver nitrate, convert to the AgCl. Convert into the AgCl, and AgCl give white precipitate. That's right. There are some uses of the HCl. HCl used the manufacturing of Cl2, NH4Cl, and glucose, hydrolysis of starch to form glucose. It is also used in medicine, and it is important laboratory reagent. Laboratory reagent, generally in the form of the dilute and also concentrated, for extraction glue from the bone and purifying bone black. Oil black. Uh, in backbones, they have formed glue. It is used to extraction of glue from bones. In pickling, it is also used the cleansing of metal surface. Is called pickling. Is called pickling. Right. So these are some uses of the HCl. In our next video, we are going to discuss the oxo acids and interhalogen compounds. Right. Okay. Thank you.